Hey there my security conscious people, welcome back to the channel. There are 12 important reasons why we need to use a refrigerator protector on our appliances. Here they are. 1. Power surge protection. A refrigerator protector guards against power surges that can damage the sensitive electronics and components of your fridge. 2. Voltage fluctuations. It protects your refrigerator from voltage fluctuations, ensuring a stable and consistent power supply to prevent damage to the appliance. 3. Longer lifespan. By protecting your refrigerator from electrical issues, a refrigerator protector helps extend its lifespan, saving you money on costly repairs or premature replacements. 4. Energy efficiency. It helps maintain the energy efficiency of your refrigerator by ensuring consistent power supply and preventing electrical issues that can lead to higher energy consumption. 5. Temperature regulation. A refrigerator protector ensures that the temperature inside your fridge remains stable and within the optimal range, preserving the freshness and quality of your food. 6. Surge protection for other appliances. Some refrigerator protectors offer multiple outlets or power strips, allowing you to protect other appliances in your kitchen from power surges as well. 7. Convenient installation. They are easy to install and typically plug directly into your wall outlet, providing immediate protection for your refrigerator. 8. Cost-effective solution. Investing in a refrigerator protector is a cost-effective solution compared to the potential costs of repairing or replacing a damaged refrigerator. 9. Peace of mind. Knowing that your refrigerator is protected from electrical issues gives you peace of mind, especially during storms or in areas with unreliable power supply. 10. Data loss prevention. Some modern refrigerators have digital displays or smart features that can be susceptible to data loss during power surges. A refrigerator protector safeguards against such risks. 11. Protection against power outages. Some refrigerator protectors come with built-in battery backup systems that can keep your fridge running during short power outages, preventing food spoilage. 12. Insurance coverage. Some refrigerator protectors come with warranty or insurance coverage, providing added protection and financial reimbursement in case of any damages. Overall, a refrigerator protector is a valuable investment to safeguard your refrigerator and ensure its reliable operation, energy efficiency, and longevity. If you find this content informative, please send a thumbs up, and please share it with your friends and family members so they can also protect their appliances. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you on the next video.